MYNTRI rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke sangma ulaya kendu ya MYNTRI bapet ye ki Tih Dewïong ke sorkar pedeng uji kishan ready New Delhi bat ula Kyrpad ba ke sorkar India kan aibor ya ke Meghalaya bniah ke jing Mynjur ki coal mining plan hapo ke Jylla Konrad ulaong ba kani kan yarap iki hajar ngut ki try par Dewïong rin banyo iki license bat ki jingbet kat kum ka an klam da hablet Delhi ni Kolkata man kapor MYNTRI rangba ula pen pauru ba ka Meghalaya ka dei ke Jylla ka bahap hapo ke 6 schedule ha ka ba ki marpo khendo ki dei jong ki try shnong ba lapin skemru da ka Supreme Court House nem arjar khat khandai ula ong banadu ba ka National Green Tribunal kala khang ye garat hol mining House nem arjar khat saw bun ki long yeng ki bashania ha ka jing Tih Dewïong kila sa khlem jingyo kam bat ke Jylla kala du uru bun ki jingyo lum khajna Hadien ke jingelang MYNTRI ke sorkar pedeng ula ai jingmut ban thau ke komiti ban bishar bniah ya kani ke jing Kyrpad bat Konrad ke sama ula pen pau ke jing Kermen ba kani kan plela di ki hajar tli ki long yeng ban trei bat kamai da ka rukom ka balong kat kum ka an ha kani ke jingle yakndu jong MYNTRI rangba la singran lang da ke MLA ke sutanga saipung ke kong Santa Mary Shilla
We just had a meeting with the Honorable Minister for Mining and for Coal, Government of India, Shri Kishan Reddy ji, and discussed in detail with all the officials regarding the mining situation, especially to do with coal in the state of Meghalaya. And the response was extremely positive, and Honorable Minister has directed that a committee should be formed immediately to look into the ways and means in which we'll be able to help the smaller miners in our state and be able to give the opportunity for them to move in a legal way, which is a challenge as of now. And therefore, a very, very positive, constructive meeting was held. Very soon we'll be forming this committee and we'll look into the ways and means, keeping in mind obviously the constitutional provisions, keeping in mind the legal acts and other aspects, and yet looking at the local situation in Meghalaya and being able to find a solution so that our small time miners can benefit from the changes that will take place. So it was a very positive meeting, and once again I thank the Honorable Minister for his time as well as for his concern and his direction for us to move forward. Thank you so much.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.